Adya ke
And every day is so good here. It's so hectic. I can't do this anymore. I wrote so much.
Are we?
We are vlogging today. This is Thia's first outfit. Let's see how many more outfits she changes tonight.
Yes.
This is my first and last outfit. The second outfit is down. 360. Give it 360. You look so handsome. Yay! Hi guys, this was a very random vlog that I started. There's so much context required. But currently I'll start with what I'm doing right now. We are going for Rhythm's late birthday dinner. But I'm carrying a laptop bag to go get my laptop. And we are in middle of our end semester exams and my laptop just decided to give me problems and it came apart, so I gave it for getting it fixed and I'm going to get it collected. I'm sorry about the noise, this is SG Palya. I'm going to get it from there because tomorrow is Ramzan and the shop will be closed and I need to study, so I'm gonna go get my laptop right now, then go from there for Rhythm's dinner and I'll have good food.
सर वो आपको कल नहीं परसों ही मिलेगा.
They're bad camera. Here Medusa 2.0 and this is 3.0. How many times did you change your outfit?
8 times.
And still she wore the second outfit, third outfit, some outfit.
7.
Kevin picked me up. He was Eve teasing me.
No, not like that. Like this place is overcrowded and why we are going
And this also.
I don't know why is this place overcrowded, although the food is too good. But the managers are very pathetic, unorganized, unplanned. I think they should be more planned. Well, Dorothy recommended me
Ban the place.
this place, but it's actually a very good place. For
I've come here
Don't
like
trust.
7
I have
times.
something. Don't trust Dorothy. Don't.
I've come here 7 times. How many times have you come?
No.
This is my fourth time.
It's my first time. I had a bad experience.
Yeah, he had a bad experience, so he might not come next time. Next
No, we'll
time,
bring you back for the
no,
food
next
row.
time we are going to make.
No.
For now, we are going to Jollyganj. Thea, how many times have you come to this place?
In February, I've come 3 times and I've ordered once.
No, we have ordered twice.
We ordered twice.
कितना पड़ा?
You? How many times have you come?
2 times.
I made everyone addicted to this place.
Whiskey warm on a brittle all night. She was doing fine and I was doing right. Falling into daydreams of our lives. I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside. Starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence. Wondering with all persistence. Wondering where she gone. Falling further on. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play. Princess, don't fade. 'Cause one
Exam done. And I'll pass this exam because I wrote really well. I wrote so much. I wrote like the entire answers sheet. No, 2 pages were left, but I wrote so much for the first time ever.
falling into daydreams of our lives. Under the Friday lights, feelings deep inside. Starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my
I look so pale and blue in this lighting. It's around 8 o'clock and I'm leaving. I studied for an hour. I had to use library computer from last 2 days because I did not have my laptop. I got it repaired that night, but the next day when I was trying to switch it on, it did not work. and I had to use my mobile the entire time to study. So I gave it for repair again, and I'm not gonna go collect it now. Day after tomorrow, I have my plant biotech exam. We only have 1 day of preparation, so I'm a bit scared about it. We got this. Last semester, we can just get through this now. Apart from that, the review paper which I sent yesterday for AI and grammar check, AI and plagiarism check, the plagiarism report came to be 8% and AI is 0%, so I can go ahead with that paper. Yay! I got all ready to go meet my guide and study in the library, but there's so much to study and I can't study. But now, what's happening in Bangalore? It was sunny from past I don't know how many months, and I was supposed to go, but I don't think I'm going anymore because it's just raining, and I'll just waste my time waiting for it to stop raining. I don't know if you can see. It's really heavy. So I'll just study in my room.
Best paper till date.
मैं बहुत नींद में हूँ.
Best fucking paper till date.
They give nothing
Nothing
after
from Anson.
exam,
Nothing. Absolute fucking nothing from Anson. I'm so glad I spent like 3 hours.
Bullshit everything.
Yes. I wrote that high density cells are full, so that low density cells become high density.
We are at Agdia's and we are cooking. We are not cooking. Karving chole. And this video is getting famous on YouTube. I'm there somewhere.
You're there. You're there.
This
I
is
want to know who wrote I am gonna miss our CD class forever. Who is this? Who is
the person who posted that video.
Yeah,
will
but
be
who is Indie Real Voice?
some person. The curly hair girl who is getting trolled is this lady. Why did you do that with rhythm?
Bro, यहाँ 70 kg का इंसान मेरे ऊपर आ रहा है. अनुष्का ने बोला था सर रखो, वो बनना है ऐसे. हाँ, that is what he's doing. Yeah, exactly. वो gentleman बुला रहा है.
That
Araman.
that girl in first row. Just stay away from me. चल दूर हट.
Bro, it's so funny because Megan was just eating all of these with a different accent, which was awesome.
Kitty party.
Kitty party college version.
We ordered from Food Springs because we could not have it on Rhythm's birthday. April and it's 8:42 and I have my dissertation presentation at 9:30. I feel so underprepared. So I'm going to practice right now. Once again, we are completing our dissertation which we never thought we would do. Let's go. Good morning everyone. I'm Dorothy. Was on isolation and characterization of probiotic bacteria from goat milk coffee. Hydrophobicity assay tells you to bind to intestinal cells. This was carried out by Bath assay which uses xylene method. The dissertation thesis done. I still can't believe it's done because it just happened so fast. First of all, the panel was late and we had to wait for half an hour. I was the first one to present. They did not ask me a lot of questions except the fact that I did not do triplicates because I did not have enough time. I just did duplicates or certain assays. But it's done. I've completed my thesis. I've completed my dissertation. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah! On 11th, I have a chemistry paper, which is the final and last paper, and I'm done with my undergraduation. I'm left with a lot of it to study. So we'll come back to library later after some time and study, grind together.
When you walked in, I fell through the floor, hit my head on the bathroom door.
Like more chemistry than bio, and I'm so shit scared. I've never been this scared for any exam. The more I study, it's like I don't remember. I have so much to study. This is the first exam. I'm so anxious. I'm actually so anxious, but like I'm graduating, done all the exams, and I'm not even eating anything. I'm so anxious. I feel just like I'll puke. And we are still gonna revise because there is so much. There's actually so much. I'm more scared about the fact that I know the answer. I'll start writing and halfway through it I'll forget what the other half of the answer needs to be. I know half of the structure and I'll forget how to do other half of the structure, or I'll forget the chemical names or something like that. I just pray it goes well. Done. It was so easy. Everything was so direct and so easy. Nothing complicated to ask. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass. I'm seeing after so many days.
I know, right? I look horrible. Don't take video.
No, you look very pretty. What's up, bro? Let's like last time, bro. Shake.
My apartment in the next 2 days.
No, bro.
I'm going to Tamil Nadu.
She.
For some bullshit. Okay. Just different waterfalls. We have planned 3 waterfalls, 2 treks. Then we are going to some sunscreen. Then we are going to
How was your exam, guys?
Okay. And
How was your exam, Arjun?
I studied.
Amazing it was.
Just traveling. It happened again.
तो बाल देखे तुमने मेरे?
देखो आज आसमान नीला है, आद्या के बाल सीधे हैं.
I'm framing the question in my brain right now for interview.
What?
Who wants to go first?
Which question?
Okay, what should people do who are coming to Christ or Bangalore in general? Like something they should do which made you the happiest.
देखो बहुत लोग ऐसा कहेंगे बैंगलोर में क्लबिंग है, ये है, वो सब करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, और चर्च स्ट्रीट शुरू में जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं. चर्च स्ट्रीट जाना आखिर में जब पक जाओ हर चीज़ से, क्योंकि वो भी बहुत बड़ी पका हो जाए. विद्यार्थी भवन जाना एक बार, वहाँ की कॉफ़ी पीना, और क्या खा सकते हैं. अरे
Bad touch. What should people do who are coming to Bangalore or Christ?
They should go to Kamanhalli to eat rolls.
Listen to rhythm.
And they should make Sri Lankan friends.
Fans or friends?
Friends. Fans भी अच्छे हैं यार, काम कर लेंगे Sri Lanka.
What they should do if they come to Christ?
Or Bangalore.
If they come to Christ, they should try the vada samosa and then be disappointed by the quality of it over time. If they come to Bangalore in general, they should go to Uru, where we are going tonight. Carry a pepper spray, get harassed.
In your head. Balance it, Swastika. What is this behavior?
What is fun is you can go to a lot of cafes, trampoline parks, if you have money, if you come to Bangalore. And if you're coming to Christ, then don't expect any fun. It'll kill you from inside. It'll make you
Dark नहीं होना था. Dark नहीं होना
अच्छा
था.
dark नहीं होना. Rise and sunshine, every day is so good here, it's so hectic. I can't do this anymore.
You are done with it. Yeah. Guys, it's done. You are graduating. Appreciate yourself.
मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नीचे दबा दिया कृष्ण ने, अंदर से नहीं है. Should not only be if they come in life science department, they should not only be concerned about academics. They should spend a lot of time with their friends. Because once that time is gone, it's not gonna come back.
टाइम ही तो नहीं है, टाइम ही तो नहीं देते हैं.
somehow enjoy it.
Enjoy.
Definitely go on a trip with your college friends because you're gonna always remember that.